Creating a video series funnel. From the dashboard, go across to Marketing Funnels, and then inside Marketing Funnels click Create New Funnel. You have the option here to create a lead magnet and a video series funnel, and you can also create what's called a trigger funnel. Look for the support documentation on both lead magnet and trigger funnel. Inside here I'm going to click video series funnel. So what is a video series funnel? You can take your prospects or your leads through a series of free videos, i.e. video 1 on day 1, video 2 on day 2, and so on. Build trust and anticipation with the leads over a few days and pitch your paid course on the last video in the video series. So you could offer them a discount, you might even give them a free PDF. It's really up to you. You don't just have to pitch a course or a membership to your audience. You can insert whatever you like into the series funnel. Now if you are using a video series funnel, we would expect you to have a video series set up to put into the video. So if you haven't done that, make sure that you've done that before you start working on the video series funnel. And how it works is it will set up a video in 1, an email will go out to the video in video 2, another email will go out to a video or a page in the funnel sequence to video 3, and so on until it gets finally to the final page where you can pitch a course membership or give them a freebie. So this is how a video series funnel works inside of Zenler. So from the video series funnel, we'll now click next, and it will take us through to naming our funnel. Notice that you have add video step, and you have a maximum of 10 videos allowed inside of here. If we click add video step, it'll open up the upload video. This is where you can place your first video. You can also grab them from the media library as well, or the video library inside of here. So for this particular one, I'm just going to use these default videos that I have. I'm going to click select one for step 1. So you can see now we have a step 1. Let's add another one. Let's go to the library and select the next one, which is step 2, and video step, and select the next one, which is 3. Remember, we have a maximum of 10 we are allowed inside of the video series funnel. So you can also see down here that you have a product that you can launch at the end of it. Let's just select a product, how to easily create a course inside Zenler. So I have free video steps, and then I have the offer page at the end. Once you set these up, purely click next. Now it will ask you to select a template to work with this. As you can see, these are all kind of video inspired steps. Let's click this one here and click finish. Zenler will automatically create the steps inside of here based on the videos that you entered. You can see this video 1, video 2, video 3, and you can also see a beginning opt-in page to grab people's email address and name. This is how video series funnels work inside of Zenler. Now please note, look at the support documentation for an overview, funnel details, funnel steps, and in funnel steps we will look at editing the pages and the leads and automations. These 5 steps in here are the same in a lead magnet as well. Please look at the support documentation on these areas for more information on how they work. You can also preview these funnels. So if I click the preview here, you'll see it'll open up a preview of the first page here where you can opt in. So if I hit here, it will give me a pop-up where I can enter a name and an email, and I can add a video inside here as well once I edit. You can preview any of the pages when you go through like this, and you'll see the first video that we loaded is in the first step there, and if I preview the second one, the second video is in the step here, and you'll also see they're locked and unlocked on the right. Now Zenler automatically bases all of the information you put in and the theme you choose, and it will create these all for you. Inside of this page we also can grab the URL to send out to our prospects or our leads. We can preview as we have done, we can edit each of these pages, and we can also clone steps, so we can add more steps in here if we need to at a later date. You've also got the add a step in here as well. This is video series funnels within Zenler.